Good morning, folks. Bob Rogers here. I thought before we head out to the surf today, I'd do a little behind the scenes look at the cameras and equipment that I use to capture all the different angles on the kayak. We start off today as I sit in this seat here with this chest mount that I have on. And I've got this GoPro camera, I think it's an 11. And basically, I hit this button here and I get this view. And then, on the nose of the board is my 360 camera. This has two lenses on it, so I can get a view all the way around it, and I always kind of start off with that view back at me. And then I also have one where I'm shooting towards the front, or I can shoot this way, and so I can see the side of the wave or not the wave. But how do I turn that on? Well, that's this guy here. It's a remote control. So you'll often see me press a button, and that's to turn that camera on and off. Well, sometimes as I break through a wave trying to paddle out or get wiped out on a wave, this guy turns up and down by the wave force. So often you'll see me take my paddle. Since I can't reach it, I'll just push it back, continue on. Well, that's a behind the scenes look at our cameras, our equipment, and all the different angles we get when we're out on the kayak. Hope you enjoyed it. Now back to the surf. Aloha folks, this is Bob Rogers and I'm learning how to kayak surf. We're here at Kahana Bay on the windward coast of Oahu. It's a surf spot that rarely breaks, maybe once or twice a year when the swell is from the east. It's a fun break. We got all ages of surfers, from young keikis, girls and boys, and even old grandpas like me. Longboarders, stand-up paddlers, foilers, wind and wing surfers, and kayakers. Today we even have a outrigger canoe catching waves. Well, this is my first wave. I'm taking it off and sharing it with the Wahine surfer. Today it's a bit small, but it's fun. And the rides are long and a wave can extend halfway across the bay, allowing many riders per wave. This is a good day for me to practice my turns. Left and right, make big bottom turns, how sharp I can go on the turn, can I climb the wall, come back down to a floater. And this is the ideal time to do this and make sure I avoid people. The whole objective of surfing is to be at the most critical part of the wave. You see me riding along the wall here, trying to stay ahead of the breaking wave behind me. Oh, here's that canoe. Outrigger canoe with a bunch of kids. One guy paddling. So this is a late takeoff. I'm trying to keep control by using my paddle as a brace or an outrigger to steady me. And then I lean into the wall, trying to keep myself balanced. On this wave, I started 350 yards out, and I rode it all the way to the shore break. When the surf is bigger, it usually breaks twice as far out. Now you can see that we started off the day with nice sunny weather and very little wind, which gave us very glassy water conditions. Like I said, we started the day off with nice sunny weather and a very little wind, but dark clouds have now arrived and bringing a torrential rain squall dumping buckets across the bay. It's not cold, but vision is extremely limited and we are still have a lot of surfers in the water, so one needs to be cautious and weave a route around them. I finally got a little bit better at steering the kayak. Well, after an hour and a half session, it looks like it's time to call it a day. We'll see you guys in the next session. Have a great week. Be healthy, safe, and of course be happy. Aloha kako. Oh yeah, I hear the swell is rising. Could be bigger waves in the next episode.